Welcome to S.I.R YouTube channel. Okay, S.I.R YouTube channel. First, we have discussed about the thought in first chapter of the chemistry, that is mole concept. This is very important chapter for exam point of view. Okay, very important chapter. First, we have discussed about what is mole. First, we have discussed about what is mole. Mole means क्या है? Let's see 1 dozen. Let's see 1 dozen banana means how many banana? 12 banana. 1 dozen apple means how many apple? 12 apple. That means 1 dozen means it's a number. 1 dozen means it's a number. Okay, but whenever I'll say one century year means how many year? 100 year. Means 1 century means how many? 100. Like that, one mole means it's a number. This number is 6.023. This number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, one mole means it's a number. This number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Let's say 1 mole apple is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 apples. 1 mole oxygen atom means how many oxygen atom? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. 1 mole nitrogen molecules is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen molecules. 1 mole water drops is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 water drops. That means 1 mole means nothing but it's a number. This number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? Next, find out the number of moles. How to calculate number of moles? Calculation of number of moles. Number of moles calculation ପାଇଁ we have 3 formula. First formula is your number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Okay, number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass. What is molar mass? What is molar mass? We don't need any definition. What is molar mass? Let's say I have a pen. Okay, I have a pen having mass 5 gram. So pen having mass 5 gram. So what is the molar mass of pen? Molar mass of pen. Molar mass means one pen having weight one pen having mass 5 gram. गोटिए पेन रो mass केते 5 gram 5 gram. So molar mass means 5 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Okay. गोटिए पेन रो mass होची केते 5 gram. ता माने होची एक गोटिए मोल पेन रो mass केते. Okay. That is molar mass of pen. One molar mass means mass of 1 mole, mass of 1 mole. Okay, mass of 1 mole in gram. Okay, mass of 1 mole in gram. Okay, so let's say mass of one oxygen atom is equals to 16 AMU. Okay, 16 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Okay, गोटिए ऑक्सीजन आटम रो मास केते 16 AMU. 16 AMU. AMU means what is AMU is converted to gram. 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So 16 AMU means 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So what is molar mass of oxygen? Molar mass of oxygen is 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Okay, देखो गोटी ऑक्सीजन आटम रो मास होची 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. But molar mass means 1 mole. 1 mole means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, देखो एटी कैंसिल हो जिवो. कैंसिल कोन होबो देखो एटी 24 minus 24 23 cancel. This one into this one 1.6 into 6.023 nearly equals to 10 into 10 ये केते हिजो 10 to the minus 24 ये 23 केते हिजो 10 to the power minus 1 into gram. देखो 10 to the power minus 1 10 gram. So ये केते हिजो 16 gram. देखो एटॉमिक मास होची 16 AMU बट मोलर मास होची 16 ग्राम. ओके, एटॉमिक मास होची 16 AMU बट मोलर मास होची 16 ग्राम. देखो आ गोटे एग्जांपल नंबर. लेट्स से एटॉमिक मास और mass of one atom. Atomic mass or mass of one atom is equals to mass of one atom of nitrogen is equals to 14 AMU. So 1 AMU how much gram? 1 AMU is equals to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So 14 AMU केते हबो ना 14 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. But molar mass of nitrogen, what is molar mass of nitrogen? Molar mass means into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 multiply करिबा ताले 14 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. देखो ये भी कैंसिल होबो केते रहइबो तार 14 रहइबो ए दिटा को मल्टीप्लाई करले केते रहइबो 10 टू द पावर -1 1.6 को 6.023 मल्टीप्लाई करले नियरली इक्वल्स टू 10 ग्राम हो जिवो 10 टू द पावर -1 कैंसल. सो 14 ग्राम. ता माने नाइट्रोजन रो एटी दुईटा वैल्यू आसला. फर्स्ट वन इज 14 AMU, सेकंड वन इज 14 ग्राम. व्हाट डज 14 AMU रिप्रेजेंट्स? 14 AMU represents mass of one atom, one nitrogen atom. Mass of one nitrogen means that is called atomic mass of nitrogen. Okay, but what does 14 gram represents? This is molar mass of nitrogen. और कौन or the mass of 6.023 or mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. Okay, clear? Next one is, so our formula is number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass. Let's do the completed from this formula. Let's do the question. Question number 1. Calculate. Question number 1. Calculate number of moles is present in the sample containing a 1.7 gram of ammonia, B 4.4 gram of CO2, C 9.8 gram of H2SO. Okay, let's see solution. Solution is number of moles of ammonia, bit 1 A. Number of moles of ammonia is equals to given mass upon molar mass. So given mass, what mass it is given? 1.7 gram divided by ammonia का molar mass. देखिए ammonia रे molar mass, nitrogen atomic mass और molar mass 14 gram plus hydrogen 1 into 3 which is equals to 17 gram. Okay, ये नाइट्रोजन नो मोलार मास 17 ग्राम which is equals to 0.1 मोल. ओके, कार्बन रो मास केते मोलार मास, CO2 रो मोलार मास कार्बन 12 प्लस ऑक्सीजन 16 into 2 which is equals to 44 gram. So number of moles of CO2 is equals to given mass is equals to 4.4 gram. Molar mass is equals to 44 gram which is equals to 0.1 mole. Next one, C H2SO4 hydrogen 2 into 1 hydrogen, sorry, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus sulfur 32 plus oxygen 16, 4 oxygen into 4 which is equals to 98 gram. So number of moles of H2SO4 is equals to given mass, what mass it is given? 9.8. So 9.8 gram divided by 98 gram which is equals to 0.1 mole. Okay, which is equals to 0.1 moles. खत्म. Next one. Next question is question number 1. A gaseous mixture contains oxygen and nitrogen. A gaseous mixture contains oxygen and nitrogen by the weight of 1:4. देखिए gaseous mixture contain oxygen and nitrogen. Its weight is 1:4. So what happens here? Oxygen, mass of oxygen divided by mass of nitrogen is equals to x:4x, means 1:4 means x:4x. Okay, so ratio of number of molecules. देखिए second another formula is number of molecules or calculation of number of moles in another formula. Another formula is number of moles is equals to number of molecules divided by Na. Number of molecules may be particles or number of molecules may be number of particles. number of particles, maybe atom, maybe molecules, maybe ions. Okay, this is formula. So this is another formula. Number of moles is equals to number of particle divided by Na. What is the value of Na? Na is Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Okay, Avogadro's number. So Avogadro's number, what is the value? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. देखिए, next come to this question. Question is ratio of number of molecules. So number of moles of oxygen is equals to given mass x divided by molar mass. Oxygen का molar mass, oxygen का molar mass how much? 32. Oxygen is molecules. Okay, O2, oxygen atom 16 into 2, which is equals to 32. But number of moles of nitrogen is equals to 4x upon N2, 14 into 2, 28. Okay, 14 into 2, 28. Next come to देखो कौन कहला number of molecules. So number of molecules is equals to number of moles into Na. Okay, so number of molecules of nitrogen is equals to number of moles of nitrogen into Na. Number of moles of nitrogen 4x upon 28 into Na, and number of moles of oxygen is equals to x upon 32 into Na. Okay, x upon 32 divided by Na. Then ratio means divided by this one. देखिए Na cancel, x cancel. देखिए 4 divided by 28 divided by 1 upon 32, which is equals to 4 upon 28 into 32. So ये 7, so 32 is to 7. 32 is to 7 or 32 is to 7. Okay, ये 1. So देखिए 7 is to 32, because number of moles of oxygen divided by number of moles of nitrogen. ये this one is number of moles of nitrogen divided by number of moles of oxygen, and whenever we will converted number of moles of oxygen, number of denominator converted to numerator and numerator converted to denominator. Number of moles of oxygen divided by number of moles of nitrogen is equals to 7 divided by 32, which is equals to 7 is to 32. Okay, option C is the right answer. Clear? Option C is the right answer. Next one is question number 4. Question number 4 is, this is very important for your CST exam, for your high school teacher exam. Okay. Question number 4. The ratio of number of molecules equal masses means number or mass of CH4 is equals to mass of SO. Let's say that is X. Okay. Then number of molecules. So number of moles is equals to given mass. Mass is given X upon CH4, 12 plus 4, which is equals to X upon 16. Okay, so number of molecules is equals to x upon 16 into Na, x upon 16 into Na, and number of moles of CH4, this one is CH4. So number of moles of SO2 is equals to x upon given mass is x. Okay, molar mass SO2 molar mass 32 plus 16 into 2, which is equals to 64. So 64. Okay, so number of molecules of SO2 is equals to x upon 64 into Na. So here the ratio means number of molecules of CH4 divided by number of molecules of SO2, that is x upon 16 into Na divided by x upon 64 into Na. So here Na cancel, x cancel, so 64 is to 16, 64 divided by 16, which is equals to 4 is to 1. So 4 is to 1 B is the right answer. Okay, एमती एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन पड़े तुम सीएसटी एग्जाम रे, एटा सीएसटी एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रु बहुत इंपोर्टेंट, वेरी 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 इंपोर्टेंट. दैट्स व्हाई एथि कोन अछि ना एटी न्यूमेरिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पई बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. मु आउ थरे कहि दोजी, देखो मोल कांसेप्ट रे कोन मोल कोन ना जेमती 1 डजन बनाना इज इक्वल्स टू 12 बनाना, 1 डजन एप्पल इज इक्वल्स टू 12 एप्पल, सेमती 1 मोल मींस 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. 1 mole apple means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 apples. 1 mole oxygen atom is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. Like that, 1 mole nitrogen molecules is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen molecules. जेमती मु 1 मोल जोठी सब माने प्रीफिक्स नेबी सेठी भी 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 से लगेबी. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैलकुलेशन ने कोन फंडा ना गिवन मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलार मास, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज इक्वल्स टू गिवन मास डिवाइडेड बाय मोलार मास. ओके, मोलार मास केमती कैलकुलेट करियो, गोटिए लेट्स से मो पाखरे गोटे पेन अछि जार मास होची 5 ग्राम, जदि मु कहबी मोलार मास मींस 1 मोल रे केते मास. ओके, ताले सेटा का सहित मल्टीप्लाई कर देबी 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 सहित मल्टीप्लाई कर देबी. ओके, आ गोटे फार्मूला कोन ना नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इज इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स डिवाइडेड बाय Na. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल कोन होई परिबो ना एटम होई परिबो, मॉलिक्यूल्स होई परिबो, आयन होई परिबो. ओके, मॉलिक्यूल्स होई परिबो, आयन होई परिबो. Na रा वैल्यू कोन ना एवोगाड्रोस नंबर 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. ओके, then number of particles कोन होई परिबो, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स into Na, और नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स रे अंडर रे कोन होई परिबो, नंबर ऑफ एटम होई परिबो, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स होई परिबो, नंबर ऑफ आयन होई परिबो. ओके, से अनुसार मु दुईटा क्वेश्चन कली. Okay, this question is very very important. Thank you. That's all for today.